Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you have ever felt like your kitchen setup is holding you back because of inconsistent heat or limited counter space, today is the day we solve that problem. We are taking a deep dive into the Nuwave Diamond Induction Cooktop, a device that claims to bring professional-grade precision to your dorm room, apartment, or RV. Let us start with the core technology. This is not your grandmother's electric burner. The Diamond features a 6.5-inch heating coil protected by shatter-proof ceramic glass. What really sets this apart is the range. Most portable burners give you a few low, medium, and high settings. The Nuwave gives you 91 temperature increments, ranging from 50 degrees all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for genuine culinary flexibility. You can hold a delicate sauce at a gentle simmer or crank it up to 500 for a hard sear on a steak. One of the biggest pain points in portable cooking is temperature fluctuations. Nuwave has addressed this with an advanced digital sensor and a dedicated thermal probe. By monitoring the internal temperature of your food directly, the cooktop makes micro-adjustments to ensure you are not overcooking your proteins or burning your soups. The user interface has received a major upgrade as well. It uses a cool white digital display that is bright and easy to read. Navigation feels snappy, and the ability to adjust settings on the fly is a game changer. If you are halfway through a recipe and realize you need more heat, you do not have to reset the whole process. You simply tap the buttons, and the response is immediate. Beyond manual control, this unit is surprisingly smart. It includes 4 pre-programmed recipes for staples like boiling pasta, making stock, deep frying, and cooking rice. Even better, for those of you who have a signature dish you make every week, the built-in memory allows you to store up to 46 of your own custom recipes. That is a level of automation I honestly did not expect to see in a portable burner. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. The clear pros are the precision, the portability, and the sheer amount of user control. Being able to save recipes to memory is a fantastic feature for efficiency. On the flip side, the 6.5-inch coil is perfect for most cookware, but if you are trying to use a massive oversized stock pot, you might experience some uneven heat distribution on the edges. Also, because this is an induction unit, you must ensure your cookware is induction compatible. If your current pans are not magnetic, you will need to upgrade those as well to get the benefit of this unit. In conclusion, the Nuwave Diamond Induction Cooktop is an impressive piece of engineering. It bridges the gap between a basic hot plate and a high-end range. If you are tight on space but refuse to compromise on the quality of your cooking, this is a serious contender that deserves a spot on your counter. Link in the description.